Hey guys, welcome back to Lavendaire. So today I am back at my home. This is my old bedroom. So I'm actually back for the week to record podcasts. Since it's quieter here, the sound quality is a lot better here. And so as I'm here, I thought I might as well go through and declutter my old closet. So do some little spring cleaning. Today's video is in collaboration with Micah Stauffer. She's also another YouTuber who does a lot of KonMari declutter videos, clean with me videos, and she's just a very sweet mom. She has so many kids. She has like a baby that she recently adopted from China, and she's just a really cute person. So check out her channel, check out her video where she's doing some spring cleaning as well. So with this closet, I actually do want to keep some clothes here for when I come home. I have clothes that I can use to work out or go out in briefly, but I know I don't need that many clothes in there. So today we're just gonna go through everything, like dump everything out KonMari style. Hopefully my life will change again after tidying this time. So just a quick tour of the closet. I have these tops, and I would say I took half of my closet away. And then this side I have some dresses left. On this side I have some jackets and stuff. I also didn't pack a tripod or any of my main cameras. This is just like a temporary vlogging camera that I'm just using today, but when you have nothing, you just stack boxes. Okay, I didn't think that I had that many shirts, but taking the clothes off one hanger at a time, my arm got tired, so maybe that is a little bit too much. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the outerwear here because it's gonna be spring and summer soon, so I don't think that I need to stay warm in LA. I probably won't be wearing these jackets and coats, so it'll be easiest to start with that. Again, the process is I'm gonna pick up each piece of clothing and ask, does this spark joy? And if it does, then I'll put it in the yes pile. If it doesn't, then it goes in the declutter donate pile. Actually, this does spark joy because I got this when I was in Italy, and I think that it's like a fun color for a blazer. This one does not spark joy. You know how some clothes are a waste? Like you buy them and then you never really wear them, and then you keep them because you think that you'll wear it one day, but you don't. To be honest, these sweaters are mostly like sentimental sweaters. Like these are like college, dance team, like friends brands. So I think I'll be keeping most of these. Okay, I'm gonna move on to this pile now. These are, I guess, like vests and dresses, and then tops, and then my folded clothes. There was a time where I thought vests were so cool, like these random fabric vests that I had so many, and I kept two of my favorites, but I really haven't worn them since like 2012. So far, that's the keep pile. Over here is the discard pile. Alright, now we're moving on to like the folded clothes. I'm just a lazy person. I don't want to unfold them and fold them again, so I'm just going to keep them folded. Alright, last section are the PJs and workout clothes. So let's get to it. Honestly, I love PJs and workout clothes because I love comfortable clothes to lounge around in. Especially the clothes that I'm picking to keep at this house are really just comfortable workout and sleep clothes. That's really my priority. I forgot to mention that I already decluttered a little bit previously, because usually every once in a while I'll just go pick out the stuff that I don't wear anymore and put it aside. So these were bags that I haven't donated, I just kept aside. So like this bag of clothes and another like small stack of clothes, but I'm gonna add that to this current discard pile. Can I just say that I feel like a lot of the clothes that I've decluttered are black or muted colors or very like old, low quality clothes that have just been really worn out, and I feel like I'm really decluttering and clearing out the old energy that I've had. I think I was a different person when I bought these clothes, and now my style is more like bright, fun, playful with fashion, and I want to wear more like bright colors, I guess. I feel like I'm at a happier place, and so my clothes reflect that. Also, the clothes that I'm trying to buy now are more high quality because a lot of these clothes are really cheap and poorly made. So yeah, I think my taste is now geared towards like higher quality clothes and fashion, maybe because I'm more mature, but I like to think it's because I'm like leveling up in life, but yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to put all these clothes back in the closet, and for any clothes that I especially like, I'm going to put those in a pile to bring to my new apartment. Okay, final look. Ended up with this many hanging shirts, and then that many shirts, and then this many shorts and pants. Here we have some coats and just kimono stuff that I like but aren't really going to wear right now. Those are my sentimental sweaters. You notice I put them all on one side and it's empty on the rest of the side. Sentimental tank tops go here from dance. And then these are like sleeping and workout tops. And then I have just a couple pajama pants, a couple pajama shorts. Alright, we're done decluttering for today. I feel like I got rid of maybe like 35 to 40% of the clothes that I had in that closet, which is pretty good by my standards. What's nice is I have a lot of extra hangers in that closet now that I could just bring over to my new place. Don't forget to check out Micah's spring cleaning video. I'll link it right here and also down below. Let me know if you like decluttering videos and if you want to see more. I feel like now I'm so used to decluttering and cleaning that I don't feel the need to vlog it all the time. I just did this one since it was like spring cleaning themed. But yeah, how are you guys in your tidying, decluttering journey? Let me know. I feel like this is the perfect time to just freshen up your space because it really does make you feel like a weight is lifted off your shoulders and it makes you feel like you're ready for a new start. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.